A name that we all recognise is Siemens, and I'm here now with Oliver at 5G to find out a little bit more about your presence here. So tell me about what you're showcasing here.
Yeah, we are actually showing elements, so products and pre-products to allow application providers, namely or mostly for mobile core, so for 5G core, to become NFV-fied, so they become cloud aware or cloud able, allow them to re-architect their architecture or to redesign their architecture to be NFV compliant.
Can you tell us about some of the clients that you're working with and the success stories they've had?
Of course. The main focus of our existing business is around HSS, policy control and authentication. For example, for applications like Wi-Fi offload, which is and Wi-Fi calling, which is hyped as you know. But in the future we also see packet gateways and IoT as a key driver for our database or for our business in that area, because the scalability is key here in that area.
So what kind of challenges have you faced in providing this technology, and how do you provide those solutions?
The key challenge is actually to convince specifically the medium-sized operator to invest into virtualization and orchestration. The large ones see they need to do it because their strategy is actually going to be virtualized and orchestrated, and the small ones want to do it because of cost saving. But the middle operators, they are reluctant in going into virtualization because they don't see the exact benefit in the first place. So the initial threshold for them is an investment, and that's not en vogue these days.
Interesting. Where do you see things going over the next 5 years or so? How will things change?
We clearly see that the currently being deployed on bare metal or on more or less proprietary hardware, these vendors, they will become app vendors, so a policy control server will become like an app in an iTunes store, and the competition is of course increasing because it's much easier for smaller disruptive vendors to provide the same quality of software. So it's no longer proprietary closed shop business anymore.
It's an interesting landscape for sure. Why is it so important to be here at 5G for Siemens?
We believe this is the key event for the 5G evolution, and we want to not just give it all to the radio folks. So we believe core network and the IP world is also very important. Radio, of course, is the main driver for 5G today, but in next year it will be that packet core, and the core network as well is also very important.
Radio versus 5G. Oliver, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.